What up YouTube, it's Bucky here with another walkthrough of Fallout 3. Last episode we just finally made it to Three Dog and got a quest to go to the Museum of Technology to get a dish to go put on, let's see, the Washington Monument, which is over there. So that is what we will be doing in this episode. So let's get started. And here we are at the what's left of the Washington Monument. Now we just need to find a way to get in. Bear with me because I haven't done this quest since like my first walkthrough, and here's Brother Steel Knight. Well, once I find an entrance. Finally discovered it. So where's the door? Aha! Right here in front of me. Use that terminal, opens said doors, and you're free to walk in. And listen to Three Dog speak. See, what are we supposed to do? Aha, activate the elevator there, and there, and we're off. And we are what looks to be the top of the monument. Let's... Ooh, we could sleep. That would help because I need to get health back. But let's figure out where we're supposed to put this dish. And somewhere... Actually that. Yes. And now we need to do something. We need to speak with Three Dog about my dad, so I think we might be able to fast travel from up here, so let's try to fast travel. And yes, we can, because we're technically outside and not in a building, so we could still fast travel, if you know what I mean, because technically that shouldn't work, because I'm in a building, not in a building, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, now we just gotta open the doors. Gee, thanks. Never done that. I've never done that before. Buzzed it twice to open the door. Interesting.
The hero of the wasteland returns. Hey, you're the one that deserves all the thanks. You struck a major blow against tyranny. Now, GNR can be heard clear across the capital wasteland again. That'll give Eden and those muties something to think about. But before I get back to my calling, I bet you want to hear about your dad. Whoa now, dry your eyes. A promise is a promise, and I will provide. When your dad passed through here, he and I talked for a good long time. He was a real stand-up kind of guy. He mentioned some scientific mumbo-jumbo which didn't make sense to me, and mentioned something called Project Purity. He also said something about going to visit a Dr. Lee in Rivet City. Then he left in a hurry. You've never heard of Rivet City? Wow. Just wow. Well, a whole bunch of people got together and turned a beached aircraft carrier into a town. Pretty cool, huh? Just follow the river south from here. There's no way you can miss it. I can't even tell you the love I'm feeling from the wasteland. Ever since GNR started singing again, the guys downstairs told me that more people than ever are tuning in. It's all I ever wanted.
How nice.
Anytime you need a place to crash, duck in here. Be glad to provide.
And yay, we leveled up again. Always put some in the speech. I usually always put at least 5. Some of the lockpick and barter. We need some more in there. Scientist. And then my small guns will get some because we need some. And then we get to pick a perk. This one's always nice. Swift Learner is always nice. Otherwise, can't really get anything else that's really good. Scavenger's really nice, so you find more chems and stuff. Oh, that's not even Scavenger. That's Scoundrel. That's not what I thought it was, but let's not do that one. I guess we're gonna go with Swift Learner again. Some skills, perks you can get up to 3 times. There's like 3 different levels you can get, and then you can't get any more. So sometimes it's good to get all 3 of something. Like Swift Learner is really good because you get more. It's either XP or points you can put into different skills. So yeah, it's really good to get early in the game.
Let's see the outcast do that. What aid can I offer you, outsider? Paladin Gunny can train you, but you'll need permission from Elder Lyons first. You can usually find him near the lab. Steel be with you.
Thanks, dude. So now we need to make it to Rivet City. A lot more walking we're gonna have to do. Fun stuff. Walking. Lots and lots of walking. I think we've been there before, so yes, we've been there, so we can just fast travel there and then we'll follow the river to Rivet City. I hear gunshots in the distance. What is it? A raider? I don't know, let's kill him. Oh, I completely missed. Can't see. Shooting at something. I don't know what though. The fuck is he? Oh, he's shooting at a super mutant, eh? That's a fun battle. Oh! Now he's shooting at me. Something over there. It's Superman shooting me. Leave it alone, it shouldn't hurt us. things are freaking annoying. They will shoot like acid at you or something. Kill it, doesn't kill me. As my phone goes off in the distance. And now he's dead, and hopefully there's nothing that's gonna attack me because I don't want to die. I'd rather not die. Enclave soldiers are always evil and will always attack you. They're basically the opposite of a Brotherhood of Steel member, so you always will get attacked with them and you always want to kill them. Okay, let's run away before he kills me. And he injured me. Thanks. You come to this point, you can always hide in this building. There's a nice guy in here. He won't kill you at least, which is nice. He is pretty different, I would say.
Who the hell are you? Never mind. You need a drink. Sherry, I'm thirsty over here. Ha! They're my party girls. I'm too much man for just one woman, so I need two. I wear them out every night. Why should they bother getting dressed when I'm just going to take it off? Hey, what's your language, clown shoes? I don't pay them. They take care of me, so I take care of them. We rub each other wrong all night long. You need to drink more. What you need? How about a drink? Don't let the door hit you in the ass, clown shoes.
So if you come here, you can like loot some stuff. There really isn't anything great. Assault rifle, a lot of empty liquor bottles. So yeah, have fun in here. Just don't try to kill him because he'll probably kill you. See a collected place. It's different, right? But it is shelter. Man, that guy's gonna kill me. Dead. I got a laser rifle. Oh, those are really good. And apparently I am injured. Oh yeah, fun stuff. Injured in the head, and I can't fix it. Hopefully I can fast travel because then I can get to a doctor and I can heal myself. So I can start right there, heading to Rivet City. No! I've got too much weight on me. That stupid laser rifle. Repair some stuff on that. No, something I want to do. wanted to repair it. There we go. So much hunting rifles. So much knives. Ooh, 2 laser pistols. Okay, now let's try to fast travel. Yes, and we can get to a doctor.
Yes.
You looking for the mayor or the sheriff?
You don't got nearly enough holes in you to be bothering me. You came in here on your own power, so you must not be busted up too bad. Well now, let's take...
Sure, I guess.
Now, where did I put this? Here, hold this in for me. Okay? Now get it back. All right, all right then.
Thanks, Doc.
That's
Feel better.
for a reason.
And now we can fast travel back to that place. And we can continue down the river to Rivet City. Careful right here, because I think this is a raider settlement. So, careful what you do. There might be some good stuff here. I guess someone came and killed all the raiders. Take their ammo and guns. Come on. Ooh, bottle cap. Nice. That's for the ooze. Never know what you're gonna find in here. Like dirty water, that's good to take. Pressure cooker, you're gonna need that for a schematic to make. Not really seeing. Ooh, ammo, nice. Ooh, shotguns, shotgun shells, nice. Those are always good to come by. And ooh. Yay, 2 stem packs. I was out of those. Don't need vodka. Ooh, duck and cover. Take that. Always take the magazines you find and or books, because magazines will give you a temporary boost to one of your skills, and then a book could add like 10 points to a skill. Like there's ones for, I know there's ones for science because I've gotten that before. Ooh, lockpick 100. There's something good in there, but yeah, just keep a lookout for that stuff. You never know what you're gonna find, and it could be useful.
Paradise Falls to the Republic of Dave. We're coming to you, loud and proud.
This scavenger guy, I think he's like a trader you can trade with. You might have some good stuff.
Yeah, I have a few things. May as well sell them to you as drive them all the way back to Megaton.
So he's got some ammo, nothing I need. Bicycle handbar, I'm gonna need that eventually. I'll buy that now. Got no good medicine. Got nothing good for weapons, so I'll just buy the bicycle handlebar because we're gonna need that for a schematic eventually. And he can repair stuff if need be. I have nothing that really needs to be repaired right now, so that's good. And I will be on my way. Never know what you're gonna find wandering around the capital wasteland. Great, one of those things again. Hit me. I'm dead. You haven't noticed, every time you do kill someone, a creature or whatever, you will get XP. It's not a lot, but it adds up after a while. Doesn't mean you have to kill everything in sight. Some things are really annoying, you need to kill right away. Oh god, what the hell is that? Oh god, a super mutant with a Gatling gun. Oh god. Ah! There's too many of them. Let's get rid of this guy first. It's more annoying. I love those cinematic shots. Oh god. There, let's see. I think I stole my sniper rifle so we can use that on him. Yeah, let's do that. Oh god! There's another one. Oh god. They're gonna kill him. Where's the Brotherhood of Steel when you need them? Yeah, you better run. And that's how it's done, folks. Now I'll switch back to my hunting rifle. Actually, yeah, I don't have a lot of ammo for that, so let's put on my hunting rifle. There it is. I don't have a lot of shots for this either, so... Please have... Where? There we go. Please have some ammo. Yes, I could really use that ammo. No! I'm more cumbersome. Too much guns. I need to sell stuff. Like, really badly. Oh. Okay, now let's go. And yeah. Interesting. There's the Jefferson Memorial. That will come into play later in the story. Spoiler. Old phone booths. Their style. And there is Rivet City. Oh god. Stupid super mutants, go away. Why do y'all have to be so evil? Could you be nice once in a while? You're dead. Stupid Gatling guns, I hate them so much. Just want your ammo, that's all I want, nothing else, thank you. Ammo. We must make it to Rivet City, we're so close. Oh god, now what? Stupid. Yeah, okay. Now we can't do this. Rivet City! A lot of times you'll find a merchant caravan sitting out here. Sometimes they'll have good stuff. Sometimes you won't, but you can sell stuff to them, which is always nice. Or like gear you found on the way here, you could sell to them. There's also a market on the inside of Rivet City, so you can sell stuff there too, and they'll have some eclectic stuff. There's another guy.
Can you help me? I need water. Purified water, please. Are you serious? I can't offer anything in exchange, you know. I can just have it. I can just have it? For free? My, thank you. Thank you so much. You saved my life. Bless you.
Oh, yay, more karma. We need to go kill some guys so we can get our karma gone.
City. Please wait while the bridge extends.
So I can do that, and they'll extend the bridge for you, and then you can head into Rivet City.
Hold it right there. State your business in Rivet City. And who might your father be? If he lives on this boat, I know him. Dr. Lee, eh? Well, then I guess you'd have to ask Dr. Lee for more information. Go on up then. She's probably in the science lab. But keep your nose clean, you hear me? Carry on then.
Well, we found out where Dr. Lee is, now we're trying to go talk to her. This way goes to the stairs, which leads you in all directions to everything. This one goes down to the market, which I need to go to sell all my junk. Like all those weapons I don't even use. Get some ching for my money.
Let me or a security officer know if you see anything out of the ordinary.
Yeah, you're out of the ordinary. So let's see, this one's abandoned. This one is weapons. Just need to find the guy who's selling it.
Yes.
This guy over here.
This here is Flack and Shrapnel's gun shop. Pretty catchy, huh? Take a look around. If you see anything you like, I'll be right over here. Need to do some killing, eh?
Let's go over and sell some of my goons. So you, both of ah, that's not what I wanted. There we go. $269. Thank you. Come again.
Thanks. If you need more ammo, this is where to get it.
Now we need to go over to
Morning. Everything looks okay here.
this guy, which
Welcome to Potomac
sells
Attire.
the clothing.
Welcome to Potomac Attire. I am Bannon, proprietor and city council member. I carry discriminating attire for discriminating customers. That's not what I meant. What I meant was that my goods are of the highest quality, which I assume is what you're looking for. Straight to the point. I like that.
Now let's sell some clothing. You. Wow, it's really hard, man. I'll do good stuff. It's all that. Let's see. Sure, we'll sell just those.
Give me a shout if you need anything else. Come back soon.
Will do, sir. This person sells chems and stuff, so maybe we can get some.
This is a
stamp
quick
packs.
fix. I mean, that's the name of our shop. Holly and mine, that is. My name is Cindy. Cindy Cantelli. We've got all kinds of chems.
Please tell me you got stamp packs, because I have, 11. What, all 11? Need those
A
stamp
pleasure
packs.
doing business with you. I'm sure you'll be back soon.
Damn right I'll be back soon. And then this guy here, he sells just like random knickknacks and stuff. So yeah, he's not here, but I got nothing I need to buy from him. So yeah. So now we need to go find. Let's see, whatever her name is, the scientist person in the lab. We don't need to go to the flight deck. Apparently it's pointing us in that direction.
I'll be right with you.
Ooh. Noodles. Noodles. Gotta have their noodles. Ooh, it's like that kid.
What do you want? I ain't scared. And I ain't your son. Any other stupid questions, asshole?
Oh, gee, thanks, asshole. There's all sorts of little fun quests you can do on Rivet City, so explore and have some fun. Come on, there's a bobblehead in here you need to pick up. I think it either ups your intelligence by 1 or your science by 10 or something, so definitely pick it up and I'll show you where it's at. So when you walk in here, go on to this table and right here, yeah, ups your intelligence by a +1. So your intelligence is not up by 1, so good. And there's Dr. Lee, Dr. Her.
Look, this is a restricted area. I'm tired of telling you people. It's you. My heavens, you look so much like him. You're James's son, aren't you? What are you doing here? You were too young to remember, and I suppose James never spoke with me. Typical. I'm Dr. Madison Lee. I worked with your parents many years ago. Now I run the science lab here in Rivet City. It was all I had left. When your mother died, your father decided to leave with you. He abandoned our work. We had no choice but to do the same. You mean you haven't? I assumed he sent you here. For that matter, aren't you supposed to be in a vault? James said he left you there. Your father is no longer here, and I'd appreciate it if you didn't use that tone with me. Your father insisted that we return to work on Project Purity. I tried telling him too much time has passed. There's no way it would work. Predictably, he refused to listen to me. He says he can prove it will work and headed off to the old lab. I'm sorry, I don't know what else to tell you. It's in the old Jefferson Memorial Building, northwest of here. Please, don't go after him. It was foolish of him to even think about going there alone. Good luck finding your father.
Dr. Lee.
Dr. Lee is trying to save lives, but you're constantly...
So there's a quest in here we can do that's pretty fun, where you have to go recover the Declaration of Independence or something like that, and some other historical document. So we're gonna go talk to that guy and start that quest if I can figure out where to go for it. Right there, the Capitol Preservation Society is where you want to go, so that is this way maybe. Open doors might be where it's at. Yeah, you go in here and there's a guy in here and you need to talk to him. He'll give you the quest. This
Good
guy.
to see you.
I think it's this guy, I'm not positive.
Who are you? Got any psycho? I could really use a fix, but I'm broke. I run the chem shop, but I'm broke. I can't buy chems.
Nope, that's not the guy.
Thanks, man. I really need this fix.
But I'll help him out. Yay! I lost karma. That's just exactly what I wanted to do. Oh, okay. The guy I need to talk to is right here.
Quite an impressive collection, isn't it? Well, don't be shy. Have a look around. Abraham Washington's the name. Curator of this little slice of American history. Ah, a fellow scholar, I see. Each of the documents in this room tells a small but important story about the history of the United States of America. Unfortunately, the greatest prize of all is missing from the collection. Why, yes. Your knowledge of American history is quite impressive. What an amazing crown jewel in my collection that would be. The original document created by the people for the people. Oh, would you? It would mean so much to me and the Society's collection here. Excellent! You won't regret it, I promise you. Imagine, you are taking part in another chapter of American history. I envy you. You can find the Declaration of Independence in the ruins of the National Archives. Oh? And have you come to any conclusions? What's your tone, sir?
Come on. I just want to go start the quest.
Shame. Very well.
Well, thanks for watching, guys, and we will continue this quest in the next episode.